Motorcycle helmet Bluetooth headsets have evolved from simple intercoms to feature-rich communication and audio platforms that blend rider safety, navigation, and entertainment. The category matters for riders who rely on reliable hands-free calls, clear team communication on group rides, GPS prompts, and resilient performance at speed. In this review,
List number 1. FEA Motorcycle Helmet Speakers High Battery Life Helmet. FEA's YI-10-based helmet speakers emphasize long battery life, lightweight fit, and voice-assisted control. At $29.94, it sits in the budget tier and supports 2-device pairing with automatic call answering and Siri Wake Up. Notable is the IPX6 waterproofing and a 1000 mAh battery clocking up to 20 hours of use, with a claimed 18-month standby commitment. The package advertises dual 40mm graphene diaphragm drivers and active noise cancellation, with a lightweight form factor touted at 0.1 pounds per side, extremely light. Installation is helmet agnostic, but may require cutting the lining to fit in some helmets, which is a critical consideration for riders who value pristine aesthetics or warranty concerns. Performance-wise, FEA prioritizes practical convenience over multi-helmet intercom functionality. While it can pair with 2 phones and support GPS/GPS voice guidance streaming, it cannot connect to other brands' headsets, limiting group ride interoperability. The 40mm drivers and graphene diaphragm deliver a lively, bass-forward profile, but the single-user focus means you won't get full duplex multi-rider intercoms. Battery life in real-world use tends to align with the 20-hour claim under moderate use. However, high audio demands or GPS streaming at high volume can shorten that runtime. The device's 3-millisecond audio latency, as per specs, is favorable for calls and turn-by-turn prompts, reducing lip sync issues on vocal replies.
List number 2. Cardo Systems Spirit Motorcycle Bluetooth. Cardo Spirit is a dual-pack system positioned as a universal connectivity solution with OTA updates via Cardo Connect. With a 400-meter talking range and waterproofing, Spirit targets riders who want reliable performance in varied weather and the flexibility to pair across brands. Its build quality and software approach, over-the-air updates, align with Cardo's reputation for robust user ecosystems. However, the SKU is listed as discontinued by the manufacturer, which raises long-term concerns about firmware support and spare parts availability. Even though current reviews suggest strong performance at a premium price near $188.96 for 2 units. In practice, Spirit shines in mixed brand groups due to its universal connectivity. The 400-meter range is solid for standard highway group rides, and the waterproofing ensures resilience in rain. OTA updates help keep features current, including audio enhancements and app-based customization. The downside centers on the product lifecycle risk, given it's discontinued, which could impact resale value, after-sales support, and compatibility with future devices. For riders who value brand agnostic,
List number 3. Q4 Motorcycle Bluetooth Communication System Headset Intercom. Skyvent's Q4 targets group rides with up to 6 people intercom capability and a 1500-meter range, plus Bluetooth 5.1 support and IP65 waterproofing. The product emphasizes music sharing, FM radio, and a 2-pack arrangement. With a 750 amp-hour battery rated for up to 24 hours talk time and 30 hours music playback, it aims to balance endurance with social connectivity. The hardware supports dual mic configurations and an adjustable mount system designed for various helmet types, offering flexibility for riders who frequently swap helmets or ride in groups. Performance-wise, Q4 delivers robust group communication with a generous 1.5-kilometer intercom span and up to 6 participants, which is competitive in the mid-range segment. The inclusion of FM radio and music sharing features adds a social element to rides. Real-world concerns include the potential latency when multiple users speak, and the IP65 rating, while protective, may be insufficient for deep water immersion or extremely dusty environments. The 2-hour-ish charging time is reasonable, though longer sessions may benefit from faster options. Overall, Skyvent provides solid feature richness at a mid-range price.
List number 4. Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Headset. The GSM Mic's R16 Pro positions itself as a high-end 10-way intercom system with 2-kilometer range and dual mics plus 40mm speakers. It emphasizes cross-brand compatibility, HXX and SEXX compatibility, heavy-duty noise reduction, and dual Qualcomm Bluetooth chips for multitasking audio, music, GPS, and intercom concurrently. With IP67 waterproofing and a 1000 mAh battery that charges in 1.5 hours, this model targets serious group rides, rally teams, and long adventures where reliability and multi-user coordination are paramount. In practice, R16 Pro delivers strong performance in multi-rider scenarios, with a claimed 99% noise reduction capable of cutting engine wind noise at highway speeds. The dual-chip architecture supports robust multitasking, which is beneficial for crews who need simultaneous navigation prompts and rider chatter. Practical limitations include the complexity of installation, potential warranty concerns with cross-brand compatibility, and the need for careful mic placement to maximize noise cancellation without muffling voices. Its price at $199.99 reflects the feature-dense, pro-oriented design.
List number 5. Nano Titanium Travel Hair Dryer. This budget-friendly travel option weighs in at $44.99 and features a 1000-watt motor with dual voltage, foldable handle, and a concentrator nozzle. The combination of ceramic and titanium materials aims to balance portability with adequate performance for on-the-go styling. In real-world use, the 1000-watt motor will be noticeably less aggressive than the 2000-watt siblings, making this dryer best suited for fine to normal hair or quick touch-ups while traveling. The dual voltage feature is a clear travel advantage, ensuring compatibility with international outlets. The foldable handle and compact form factor improve travel ergonomics, but can translate to a lighter, potentially less durable build. Noise levels may be lower due to smaller motor, but overall performance will be more modest and require longer drying times for thicker hair.